Alright, I have here the new Acer travelmate p648 Intel i5, 8GB of RAM, 256 of SSD. So if I just open up the front lid over here, you can see the fingerprint over here. You've got the Intel 5 stick over here. The keyboard's spaced out, the keys over here, for the power button over here. On the side, let's have a look. You've got the Ethernet port with a little flap. You've got the VGA, HDMI, so USB 3, USB-C, and you've got the headphone jack. There's nothing on the back apart from the vents. And on the other side, you've got two USB 3s, you've got the Kensington lock and the power to the laptop. And on the back, you've got the E port for the dock. The battery isn't removable, it's enclosed, as you can see. And you've got the section here to remove the hard drive and RAM.